Every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, welcome to Mission Control for a feature-focused video. In today's video, we're going to discuss the Avolites Fixture Finder. Currently hosted by the Avolites DE website and made by Sebastian Butel, the Avolites Fixture Finder allows you to search the personality library by channel and attribute to find a match for the fixture you're using. This allows you to use the existing personality rather than having to create your own. Also, this allows you to find a matching fixture that has a captured personality used for pre-programming if yours does not have one available at that time. It's hosted at www.avolites.de/download/d4find. This allows you to search by the model and or manufacturer. You can narrow the search by the number of channels and cells. You can also filter for capture ready. And we can see that here. We can put in the manufacturer, the channels, the attribute, and what channel it is on, and check to see if it is capture ready, and then hit search. What's nice about being able to put the model and manufacturer in is, say you want to check and see if the library has a fixture in it already and you don't have a console handy and you just have a computer or even your phone, you can go here and just type in the model and manufacturer and see if you can find it from there. Some tips for searching for fixtures you know are already in the library. Don't use a manufacturer or model name. Leave this blank. Obviously, if you're looking for a light that is in the library, you don't want to put its manufacturer or model name in there. That's not going to help you search for it. Set the channels and cells if there are any. Use fewer channels to filter. Then add more to narrow the search if needed. Even if you don't find an exact match, you can use a close match as a base for creating one on your own. Add the capture ready as the last filter to increase the odds of finding a match. So let's see this in action. I see here I have a fixture I kind of made up. The beam architectural design and spot system is a 16 channel mode. And here are the channel attributes on channel 1. It's got pan, panel 2 is pan fine, 3 has got tilt, 4 has got tilt fine, 5 is pan and tilt speed, shutters on 7, dimmers on 8, so on and so forth down the line till we have all of our fixtures. So here in the fixture finder, what I want to do is I'm going to set my channels to equal 16 since it is a 16 channel mode, and cells, this fixture doesn't have any cells, so we're not going to worry about that. Our attribute ID, we go to our first one. If we click on it, it'll pull up a list of ones to put in easier than typing it in yourself sometimes. Pan, we know that pan's on channel 1, and we've got tilt on 3. Usually when I'm doing this, I don't bother with the fines. I just go with the courses, and that usually gets me to what I need 90% of the time. I usually like to also include dimmer and a color mix channel to make sure those are in the right place. So we'll do red. And our dimmer is on channel 8, and our red color is on channel 12. And I'm going to leave capture ready off for now so I can increase my chances of finding a fixture. And go ahead and click search. And you can see it brings up all the fixtures that match those attributes to those channels. If we click on the black text, we can bring up exactly what that channel layout is for that particular fixture. And we'll just bring it over here a little bit closer to our list to compare here. The pans, coarse and fine match, same thing with the tilt. It's got the pan and tilt speed function on 5 and 6, the shutters on 7, the dimmers on 8, the colors functions, and color 1 and 2 all match. The red, green, blue, and white match, and the control match. And this one's even capture ready. We can take a look at some of the other fixtures also. Like if we had clicked this one instead, we can see that everything matches on here except for it doesn't have capture ready. If we see here, I think this one doesn't exactly match. I would see here this one that the pan, the tilt, and the fine's all correct. The pan and tilt speed's correct, but then channel 6 is shutter function rather than pan and tilt function, so it wouldn't work for our fixture. Looking at the other buttons here, if we click the blue view link what it's going to do is bring up the hard code of the personality itself. I see everything here is from the hard code on the actual file itself. If we click the blue, it would download it. Now, normally you wouldn't need to download, as that file is already going to be in the library, assuming you have the most up-to-date personalities as it is, but it is there in case you need it. So that's the Avolites Fixture Finder. I'd also like to talk to you guys about, we need to help get it added to Titan to make it so this is just built into the console. So if you go and upvote it on the Ideas and Features page of Avolites, go here for the exact address to upvote it to help have it added to Titan. And we can see that on the page there. See here, the Avolites Advanced Personality Search, as it used to be called, is a great piece of software that helped me many times in the past, and it would be nice if you strike a deal and implement it in Titan. Of course, Sebastian has already said that he would love to have it in Titan also, so hop on there, upvote it, and help it get it added. It is listed as accepted at this point, so someday it will get added, but upvoting it will just help it get it added that much quicker. So that's everything in the Avolites Fixture Finder. I hope you found this useful. Please go ahead and upvote, and remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.